Alright guys, look at this magic effect. How I made a fowl to come out of my head, you understand? So this is the kind of effect I know everybody would want to do. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let's dive in for the tutorial. Let's go there. Alright, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Record an empty background for at least, let's say, 5 seconds. Then you see what I'm doing here. So I was doing as if I am feeling headache or something is wrong with my head. So at some point I had to bend my head like the way I'm bending like this. So when you are done doing like that, you can just do any other thing. You can just move away, something like that. Now save the video to your gallery, then head over to your browser. Type on your browser, download white file, black background, the black background. Now this is the result. So I choose this one, understand? So tap and hold, so you will see options where you will be able to download image. You will see copy image, so you download the image. Now let's head over to CapCut. You get my point? Click on the plus icon. Let's go. Bring the video to CapCut. The video you just recorded, bring it to CapCut. So this is the video. So now you know we recorded an empty background first, so we have to isolate the empty background. So from this point you tap on this layer as it is. So look for split, look for split, then split it. Now go and look for overlay. Click on overlay. So at this point drag it to the beginning of the video. Now there is how I want my own to start. I want my own to start where I'm touching my head, like I'm trying to touch my head. So I'll just tap on the second layer. Now we have 2 layers. I'll tap on the second layer, click on split. Now delete the beginning of it, then drag this one to the beginning of the video. Now tap on the empty background. You get my point? Just tap on the empty background, go and look for freeze, the freeze option. Just let's look for, okay, here is freeze. So tap on the freeze. So you have to drag and extend this, drag and extend it. Make sure you can make it longer, understand? So what you will do next is removing background. So guys, before we do that, please, if this is your first time of watching our videos, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop another amazing video like this, understand? So now let's go to remove BG. Tap on remove BG, tap on auto removal, and please make sure you allow it to remove completely. You get my point? Let me know if you get my point. So the next thing for you to do here is to move the video to where you bend your head, like where you want your head to divide. Sure you understand? You get my point? So from this point where I want my head to divide, I will just tap on empty space, so you get rid of this chroma key and all that. Now tap on the second layer, click on split. This is where you want your head to divide. So when you click on split, drag it, just drag this other side, drag it, give a space. Now come to this other one here, this other layer here, go tap on it. Now go and look for freeze, look for freeze. So where is freeze, where is freeze? So here is freeze. So click on freeze, tap on freeze. Now you get it. So now you drag this one, you just freeze, just drag it, make it long a little. You can stop somewhere here. You get my point? I believe you get my point. So now we want to divide the head, understand? We want to divide the head. So what you do is you bring the video to the beginning of this one. You just freeze, go and look for mask, click on mask. After clicking on mask, click on horizontal, understand? So you have something like this. So you adjust it to where you want your head to divide, understand? Where you want your head to open, how you want it to open. So I have to bring it towards this other side, so when it opens, it's gonna open from here. So if you get it correctly, then the next thing for you to do now is tap on duplicate or copy. Understand, either you see duplicate or you see copy, so click on it. So now adjust it to match with the layer you just freeze, something like this. Understand, so we have 3 layers now. Understand. So that is just it, guys. Okay, now so let's reveal this other part. Click on the 3rd layer. Now go to mask. Let's go to mask because we want to reveal the other part of the body. Let's go to mask. Where is mask now? Mask, where are you, bro? Click on mask. Tap on mask, bro. Now click on invert. See invert here. Understand, so when you click on invert, it will appear like this. You get my point? So you click on OK. So guys, I believe you get my point. So now to let the head open by itself, you get my point? Let's do this. Alright guys, before we continue, I went through comments under a video I posted, that cloning video, how to clone yourself. So I saw that some fans, some subscribers were like asking me how they can support me. So God, I'm blushing already. So I have to bring it out here in case you want to know how you want to support me. You want to support me like these people here. This is my PayPal email. So if you are a Nigerian, because I'm a Nigerian, and you wish to send through bank, this is also my OP. This is my OP details. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Anybody that's in, I really appreciate. So let's get back on the tutorial. Let's go. Welcome back. So guys, to have the head open and close, tap on the 2nd layer. Now what you do next is to add keyframe. See keyframe here, you add keyframe. Now you come to the middle of the 2nd layer, the one you freeze, just somewhere around here. You can just add keyframe, but not at the end of it. Understand, just add keyframe somewhere around here. You get my point? Let me know if you get my point. So after adding keyframe, go and look for transform. You get my point? See transform here. Tap on transform. Now tap on rotate. So you see the head is now open. So you use your finger to adjust it like what you are seeing on your screen. Just adjust it to be like that. You get my point now? So you understand? You see what I'm talking about? So when you are done with the adjustment, just let the video play. Let's see. So something like this. You see it open like this. So you get it. You see the magic there. So now guys, it's time to bring in the file you downloaded. Do you remember that file you downloaded? So you have to bring it in now. So tap on an empty space to clear up this rotate, mirror and resize. Click on add overlay. Bring the file you downloaded. So this is my own, so I bring it in. So as it is now, it's facing this side, but no problem. But let's first of all remove the black background. So go to remove background, tap on it, tap on chroma key. We are using chroma key. So now select the color you want to remove. So you have to bring it to this black spot. Now tap on intensity, increase the intensity to 10. Let it be at 10. No, let it be at 10. Bring it down to 10, bro. Bring it down to 10. Don't you hear me? 10. So leave it there at 10. Now tap on OK. So now to turn it, no, it's facing this other side. We have to make it face this other side. So tap on it. Let's go and look for transform. Transform again. No, you understand? You get my point? So let's look for transform. Where is transform now? Okay, see transform here. So tap on transform. Click on mirror. This mirror here. Tap on mirror. You see? Now it's facing this other side we want it to face. So what you do next is to resize it. Just use your finger, place your 2 fingers on the screen, just resize it. Make it smaller that your head, like your body, your neck will cover all part of the fowl. And the fowl won't show in anywhere. Like what I'm doing, I'm trying to make it smaller. You understand? Something like this. So you just place it just below where you are cutting your head, below where the head is divided. I don't know if you get my point. Okay, so now that we've gotten the real size, you drag it to reach the end of the second and third layer, like what you're seeing on your screen, something like this. You get my point? So guys, we have to make the fowl to start moving. So for it to be able to make the fowl to start moving, bring it to the beginning of the where the fowl is. Now you have to tap on keyframe, like just tap on the foot layer. Now we do have 4 layers. Now you tap on the foot layer, the beginning of the where the file is, add keyframe. So you just move the video a bit, come to somewhere here and add another keyframe. Just add another keyframe somewhere here. So after adding the keyframe, guys, what you don't move the video, just leave it the way it is. What you do now is for you to tap on the file, then drag it out. Just drag it gently, drag it out, and make sure it aligns where the line of this other head you divided is, so it will be as if it's working on it. Understand? At this point, guys, you can make the file a little bigger. You can just adjust it, make it a little bigger than how it was inside the head. I don't know if you get my point, but make sure it's on the line of the head you divided, so that it will go well. You will have a perfect result. So something like this. So you can choose to add another keyframe somewhere here. So this other keyframe will allow you to drag the file to the edge of the head. You get my point? So you just drag it to the edge of the head. So you move the video a bit, then you add another keyframe, then you move the file down. I don't know if you get, just play around with it. Add keyframe, you move the file, then move the video, something like that. So then you will be able to get it. So when you are done with everything, this is what you are gonna get. So this is what you are gonna get. Guys, I noticed the way the fowl's falling is not what I really wanted, so I had to do a little adjustment here. So you can, if you have issues like this, you can just tap on where the keyframe is, adjust it, drag the file out, just drag it out, let it come out of the line of that your head, something like that. So let's play around with it. When you are done setting that one, what we have to do now is to make sure the file height, that's the file will be coming out directly from the head. Understand? So what you do here is you tap on the 4th layer, go and look for layer. There's an icon called layer. See layer here, tap it, then bring it to 1. From number 3, bring it to number 1. Tap OK. So let's see how the video goes. So you see the magic. You see the magic now. You see the magic here, guys. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share. Understand? Comment if you have any issue, just comment. Understand? I'll be there to assist you 100%. So now we have to join the ending part of it, which we splitted. So tap on this side here, then drag it to join with this one. I don't know if you understand, just make sure it joins perfectly in this second layer. So guys, when you are done getting it, so now I noticed that the file and the head was closing at the same time, so I don't want it that way. So I had to adjust this second layer, the one I splitted. I drag it here, adjust the 3rd layer, the one I splitted also, to bring it here. So I leave the file to remain where it is. So if you want to have the exact same result, this is what you are going to do. Then you bring this one here, the one you splitted, and the second layer to join with this other one here. So you have something like this. So guys, after all necessary adjustments, so let's see what we got from the beginning of the video. Wow, that is perfect. So guys, what you do next from here is I want to split and delete the ending part because we are done with the main thing. So I'm gonna tap on this second layer and then click on split, then delete the ending part, then tap on the first layer, also click on split, then delete the ending part. So guys, we have 2 more things to do. So one of it is subscribing to this channel, liking my videos, sharing this video to all your social media platforms. And the second thing, guys, is if you're among those that want to show me love, or you just feel like this guy is trying, want to show me love, this is my details. You do that, I really appreciate it. I will be very glad to receive things from my fans. So now let's see what we got. Let's see the video we just did. Let's see everything. Wow, was that not amazing? So guys, what you do here, the last step is for you to save the video to your gallery and you are done. So thank you so much guys for watching. So see you in our next video.